All right, let's do this. Okay, receipt for my order. They always send you a nice little card. The Wagyu Shop. Thank you for your order. We appreciate your business. Visit us again soon. Hey, Mike, we appreciate the support. We hope you enjoy. Oh, I know I will, and I will be back. I think this is probably my 6th order from them. And it certainly won't be the last. All right, let's see what we've all been waiting for here. Did order something I've never had before. I'll show you that when it comes out. But it does come immediately in this cooler bag. You do have dry ice in the styrofoam, probably in here. Melted dry ice. Today is Thursday. I ordered this on Monday afternoon, I think. Dry ice. It was shipped out yesterday. Dry ice. All right. So here we go. This is Angus beef that I ordered up on this one. That's not the new thing I was talking about. But that said, got a nice ribeye steak, 18 ounce, 100% frozen. Another one, 18 ounce ribeye. Show the underside so you can kind of see, but these are great cuts of Angus beef. Hell to the yizah. All right. Now here, 2 more Angus. So this one I did order Angus instead of doing like the prime or the choice. Angus beef does not get graded for prime, choice, select. It's just one of the ones that don't, because they're Angus beef. It's graded differently. And this is a 14 ounce bone-in strip loin, 2 bone-in strips. So sweet. I got some steaks in my future. Okay. Porterhouse. No sticker on that. I forgot I ordered the porterhouses. Yeah, 2 porterhouses. All right. I think the other item that I was referring to that I haven't ordered before, that's coming in a different delivery today and will be on another video. But yeah, so nothing but steaks. Yeah. So nothing but steaks here. All totally frozen. 6 steaks. Nice. All right. Hope you guys enjoy. I know I'm going to enjoy this. But yeah, if you order from the Wagyu Shop, man, it's going to come totally frozen in a cooler, in a bag. You don't have to worry about that at all. I'm going to get this back inside and bring it loaded up into my freezer. But I'm going to keep 1 or 2 out to de-thaw for dinners. All right. Heck yeah. All right, guys. Well, thanks for tuning in. Let me know if you have any questions or comments regarding the Wagyu Shop or how the order comes or arrives, what type of meats, whatever. Put it in the comments. Be happy to get back to you. Later.